In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if YouTube TV is having trouble and what you can do to resolve common issues. If you're experiencing problems like playback errors, login issues, or missing channels, the first step is to check if the issue is on YouTube TV's end. Visit a reliable service status website like Down Detector or the official YouTube TV Help Center to see if there are any widespread outages or disruptions reported by other users. If YouTube TV is down for everyone, unfortunately, all you can do is wait for their team to resolve the issue. These outages are usually temporary and fixed quickly. However, if the problem seems isolated to your account or device, try troubleshooting on your end. Restart your streaming device, router, or modem to refresh the connection. Clear the cache of the YouTube TV app or browser you're using, and ensure your software is updated to the latest version. If the issue persists, sign out of your account and log back in, or try accessing YouTube TV from a different device. For billing or account-specific issues, visit the YouTube TV Help Center or contact their support team directly. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you determine whether YouTube TV is having trouble and how to address it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.